Hey everyone, welcome back to iCube tutorials in this module of part 2, and in this we'll be learning about markup and discount. So marked price, let's understand the definitions. Marked price is what? This is the maximum retail price of the product or the price getting displayed on its price tag. That is, you have a price, what is the maximum price that is being shown? It's what the seller has marked it on its product. That is known as the marked price. Okay, and markup. So this is the increment in the cost price. Means if you purchase an article, suppose at rupees 100, and you mark its price at rupees 150 in your shop. So how much increment you have done from 100 to 150? That is the 50 rupees increment which you have done is known as the markup. This markup is the marked price minus the cost price. Okay, and markup percentage. Markup percentage, this how much markup you have done with respect to the cost price. So you purchased an article at 100 rupees, you marked it up at 150 in your shop. So you have done a markup of 50 rupees. 50 rupees, what was your base purchase price? 100. So 50 by 100, that is 50% is markup percentage. Now you have marked up your article at 150 rupees in your shop, and one of your friend comes and asks, no, 150 is a very high price, please give me a discount, please. So you cannot refuse, so you decide to give him a discount of suppose 20 rupees. So you give him a discount of 20 rupees. From 150 you have given a discount of 20 rupees. So at what price you sell? 150 minus means 130, that is the price at which you sell is 130. So how much discount you have given? 150 minus 130, that is 20 rupees. So that is the discount. So reduction on the mark price that you give before selling it to the customer. Remember, discount is always on the marked price. So base for discount is marked price. So discount percentage will be the amount of discount you have given as a means on the base of marked price. So you have given suppose here 20 rupees as discount. So discount percentage will be 20 rupees by the marked price, that was your 150 into 100. This is your discount percentage. Okay. So let's see a basic relation between them. There are three terms: cost price, selling price, and mark price. To the cost price, you increase it by markup. You have marked up from 100 to 150. So this you increase by the mark price. Then you give a discount. Okay. So this is the markup which you are doing on your cost price to the mark price. To the mark price, you give a discount, and this is the price at which you finally sell. So after selling, this becomes your final profit and loss. That is 100 rupees. You marked up at 150. You gave a discount of 20 rupees to your friend. You sold at 130. So the final profit and loss will be 130 minus 100. That is 30. Now sometimes you have overstocking. You can give further discount. So the selling price can be here and you will be at a loss. You will be at a loss. Okay. If the discount is very high, so that you are the selling price is less than the cost price, then you will be at a loss. So you must understand this relation: cost price you mark up to mark price, you give a discount, and then you return to the selling price. Let's solve this to understand it more. If Mr. X buys a pen at rupees 100 and gives a discount of 20% and sells to Mr. Y, he still makes a profit of 20%. So he purchased the pen at 100 rupees, he gave a discount of 20%, and even after giving discount of 20%, he still makes a profit of 20%. So find the mark price, markup percentage, and discount amount. It's a very simple problem. So remember that the cost price was 100 and it has been given that he makes a profit of 20%. So you make a profit of 20% on the cost price means what is your selling price? 20% more than the cost price. 20% more than the cost price means you multiply 1.2. So 1.2 into 100 is 120. So this is your figure. 100 was your cost price, 120 is your selling price. You have marked up by some percentage and then you have given a discount of 20% to reach the selling price. Now you understand one thing is that from this marked price you have reduced 20% to come back to 120. So you've reduced the mark price by 20% to 120. So you reduce something by 20% means what is the multiplying factor? 1 minus 20 by 100, that is 1 minus 0.2. So you multiply 0.8 from to mark price to reach this 120. That means you've reduced mark price by 20%. So 0.8 into mark price is 120. From that we can get the mark price. So 0.8 into mark price is your selling price, that is 120. So mark price is 120 by 0.8, that is 150. So 100 is your cost price, 150 you get to be your mark price. What will be the markup? 150 minus 100, that will be 50, and accordingly markup percentage will be 50 by 100, 50%. Discount amount is, this is 150, you sold at 120, so discount amount is this 30 rupees. So this is the figure, complete figure, and you should understand this diagram by heart, and once you understand, everything will be clear in terms of cost price, markup, and your discount. Okay, now let's try to find a generalized relation between what is the profit, markup, and the discount. So what you do, you do this thing, this is your cost price, you increase it by m%, that is the markup percentage, to reach mark price. To mark price you give a discount of d percentage to come back to the selling price, and this is the final change in percentage between cost price and selling price. So what you are doing, you are basically increasing the cost price by m% once, and then successively you are reducing the that same thing by d%. So there is a successive change in percentage on the cost price. See here, to the cost price, you increase it to by m% to mark price, and then you reduce by d% to reach back to SP. And your final change in percentage is your p%, that is the profit or loss percentage. So you have learned this thing in concept of successive change in percentages in the module of percentage one. What will be the relation then? P is the final change in percentage, M is the first percentage change, D is the second percentage change. The relation will simply be P equal to M minus D minus M into D by 100. Why it is minus? Because D you are reducing. When you reduce something, the sign is minus. When you increase something, the sign is plus. So P equal to M minus D into minus M into D by 100. So this is the relation between profit percentage, markup percentage, and discount percentage. PMD. These three things are the relations. Okay. So this is by the concept of successive change in percentages. Same thing we can see from the concept of multiplying factor, because basically you are doing two times change in percentage, one by m%, once by d% to reach the final change by in as p%. So multiplying factor to the cost price, you multiply once this, again multiplying factor this is your final multiplying factor. So this will be the thing. Multiplying factor final profit is equal to multiplying factor of markup into multiplying factor of discount. So by these two methods, in both the methods, we can find out the relation between P, M, and D. Let's solve a question to understand this further. A shopkeeper marks up his prices by 50% and gives some discount to his customers. After selling, he makes a profit of 20%. Okay, so he has marked up by his prices by 50%, have given some discount to his customers. Even after giving discount, he makes a profit of 20%. What is the discount percentage given? So profit percentage, you know, profit percentage here 20%, you know, markup percentage 50%, you know. You need to find out the D, that is the discount percentage. So this is the diagram: cost price, 50% markup, D percentage reduction, final profit percentage is 20%. You know by the formula, P equal to M minus D minus M into D by 100. What is P? 20% given. M is 50. D you don't know. You need to calculate D. 50 minus D minus 50 into D by 100. 50 by 100 is half. So D minus D by 2. Minus D minus D by 2 will be minus 3D by 2. You take this minus 3D by 2 this side. It will become 3D by 2 equal to 50 minus 20 is 30. So ultimately your D comes out to be 20%. So your discount percentage is 20%. Okay, by this relation, similarly you can find out by the concept of multiplying factor. So for 50% increase from cost price to mark price, what will be the multiplying factor? 1.5. For reduction from MP to SP, you don't know, you'll leave that as multiplying factor of discount. And what will be the final change in multiplying factor? 20%. 20% increase, because there is a profit it is given. So 20% increase in multiplying factor is 1.2. Markup 50% means 1.5. Discounts multiplying factor, you need to find it out from this formula. So multiplying factor profit equal to multiplying factor markup into multiplying factor of discount. Multiplying factor of profit is 1.2 because 20% increase. Multiplying factor of markup is 1.5 because of 50% increase. And multiplying factor of discount is the what you need to calculate. So multiplying factor of discount from this will be 1.2 divided by 1.5. So 1.2 divided by 1.5 is 0.8. You know, when multiplying factor is 0.8, when you reduce something by 20%, when you reduce something by 20%, the multiplying factor is 0.8. So here discount will be 20%. So this is the relation. You can do by this method, you can do by this method, whichever method is suitable to you, you can use. But whatever the basic concept of this diagram should be known to you, how you get the formula should be known to you, and its application should be known to you. Okay, so this type, let's see this type of problems also. During a sale, a seller offers buy 3 pens get 1 free. Find the discount percentage. It's a very common question, you know, means buy 5 get 2, buy 10 get 3. Many things come like this. So how do you calculate the discount percentage? Remember, discount is always on the marked price. So when the seller gives away 4 pens, buy 3 get 1 free means seller is giving away 4 pens. So what is the marked price? That is the seller is giving away, that is the mark price of 4 pen. What is the discount that is he is giving? One free pen means mark price of 1 pen he is giving as the discount. What is the total number of pens he is giving away? Mark price as 4 pens. So we'll solve in this way. Discount is always on the mark price. Let mark price be m, then discount offered is 1m, because he is giving one free pen. Total mark price, how many total pens is the shopkeeper giving? 4 pence, so total mark price is 4m. So discount percentage will be discount by mark price, that is 1 by 4 into 100, 25%. Many students do this as 1 by 3 and they get it wrong. Why 3? Because the seller is actually giving you 4 pence na, so entire total mark price will be of 4, and the free pen is 1 mark price, so the your means discount will be 1 mark price. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 100 is 25 percentage. So remember this thing, discount percentage is equal to free items by total items into 100. What was the free item? 1. Total, how many items the shopkeeper gave? 4. So 1 by 4 into 100 is 25%. Let's see this problem. A shopkeeper offers a cash discount of 20% and still makes a profit of 20% when he further allows 16 pence to a dozen to a customer. How much percentage above the cost price were his wares listed? So understand this question. Shopkeeper first gives a cash discount of 20%. Again he is giving a discount, one more discount, 16 pence to a dozen, means at the price of 12 pence he is giving 16 pence. So once discount of 20%, again a discount in of means at the price of 12 pence is giving 16 pence. So there are two discounts, and after giving these two successive discounts he still makes a profit of 20%. So how much percentage above the cost price where his wares listed? Okay, so here you see cash discount, one was 20%, profit was 20%. Further discount, how much? Further discount means, you know, free items by total items. How many free items he is giving? 16 pence to 12 pence. So free items is 4 pence. By total items he is giving how much? 16. So 4 by 16, 4 by 16 into 100 is 1 by 4 into, and that is 25%. So once discount 20%, again a discount of 25%, then he makes a profit of 20%. So this is by the basic this line, mark price be m and cost price be a. If cost price is a and profit is 20%, what will be the selling price? Profit is 20% means selling price is 20% more than the cost price. So the selling price will be 1.2 times of a, that is the cost price. So what he has done to the mark price? To the mark price, he has given a cash discount of 20%. That means to the mark price, you multiply 0.8. A discount of 20% means you reduce it by 20%. Again, he has given a discount of 25% by these free items. So again, a discount of 25% means you multiply 0.75. 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. So two discounts, you multiply 2 times 0.8 into 0.75 to the mark price to reach the selling price. This is equal to selling price. Now what is the selling price? Selling price is 1.2 times of the cost price, because there is a 20% profit. So this is the equation, and you need to find out the relation between m and a, because how much percentage above the cost price where is wares listed, that is a markup percentage. From this you see 0.8 into 0.75 is 0.6. 0.6 m is equal to 1.2a. So m equal to 2a. M equal to 2a means marked price is twice the cost price. So marked price is double the cost price. So markup percentage is how much? M minus A. M is twice A minus A. 2A minus A is A by A into 100 is 1 by A by A cancelled down is 100 percentage. So he has marked his price by 100 percentage. So understand this thing here. He marks his means to A, he marks by 100 percentage. He gives a discount of 40 percentage, net 40. Why? From where did we get 40? Once a discount of 20%, again a discount of 25%, gives 0.6. 0.6 means a discount of 40%. This is his net discount after giving 2 times discount, and he reaches to this 1.2, that is the selling price, and this is the profit 20%. This is our diagram. So it is clear, and you can find out the markup percentage from this. Okay, so thank you for watching this. In the next module we'll be discussing about dishonest shopkeeper or your faulty weight. Okay, thank you.